Hello everyone, welcome back. If your iOS device shows SOS only after update to iOS, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, we have to launch settings and enable airplane mode. Now force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After force restart, launch settings again and disable airplane mode. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then move to some other solutions. The second one is settings, journal, and tap on VPN and device management. Here we have to check the list if there is any beta profile installed on your iPhone, then remove the beta profile and back to the stable version of iOS. Then go back and tap on software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. Now we are going to do one more thing. Turn off your iPhone, use the SIM ejector tool, take out the SIM card, clean it properly and reinsert the SIM card. Then turn on your iPhone and launch settings. Here we have to tap on journal and tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset network settings. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm. That's it. By doing these simple and easy steps, you will get rid of this issue. And also check your SIM card by inserting another phone and make sure that your SIM card is working properly. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.